स्टॉक पे बारे में आज सब लोग से डिस्कस करेंगे। स्टॉक मार्केट लाइव अपडेट्स। गिफ्ट निफ्टी signals a firm start. United Spirits President System Rails India in focus. Sensex today. Stock market live updates. Stock like United Spirit, Supreme, Petrochem, President System, IndiaMART, InterMESH, Rallis India, CreditAccess, Grameen, Super, Stop AU, Small Finance Bank, Vikram Solar, JSW Energy, HCL Technologies, Highway Infrastructure and RBL Bank will be in focus on January 21. Sensex today. Fidelity Securities Fund sales stake in Aditya Birla Lifestyle Brand, Aditya Birla Fashion and Retail, Fidelity Securities Fund, Fidelity Bull Ship Growth Fund sold 2.36 crore equity shares equivalent to 1.94% of the paid-up equity. In Aditya Birla Lifestyle Brands of Rs 260.67 crore at a price of Rs 110 per shares. Additionally, the same fund offloaded 2.15 crore equity shares, 1.76% stake in Aditya Birla Fashion and Retail for Rs 142.63 crore at a price of Rs 66.2 per share. However, Society General ODI equity 74.97 lakh share, 0.61% stake in Aditya Birla Fashion and Retail at Rs 65.78 per shares, amounting to Rs 49.31 crore. FMCG financial ITVs fell. Outfall metal durables attract buying in January first half. NSDL data show that steel sold over 6,128 crore worth of FMCG stock during the first half of the month, following net sale of more than 5,844 crore in December. Financial service also saw heavy selling, which file offloading shares worth over 3,190 crore in January first half after selling 10,525 crore in December.